On this Mori machine with CELOS CNC, we're gonna check some interlocks. Let's try to. We're gonna replace this area on this on the layout. We're gonna edit windows and use machine settings to replace the MDA mode. So we are still in MDA mode, but we have a different option here, and we're gonna see in NC settings display diagnosis screen, and here let's say you are in this page or any other. So what you have to do is to look for the self-diagnosis, and you see we have interlocks right here, plus and minus. We're gonna open the door. You see, we just hit this icon and we're gonna open physically the door, and I'm gonna try to lock it again, and there you go. We have the alarm that is telling us that the door is open. So let me close it, and you see we have these interlock signals went off. Okay, thank you.